Hello guys, heartily welcome to That Coding Bro. Today we have one interesting question and a very important question for many people. It is a good question actually. Now let's discuss today question. I will try to make this question very easy to you. Uh, don't stop in middle. Watch until end. You will get the answer and I will show you the execution. Okay. Now write a C program to print the Fibonacci series up to a given number. Means first of all, what is Fibonacci series? You need to know what is meant by Fibonacci series. Okay. Yeah. Fibonacci series is nothing but a term which is equal to sum of its previous two terms. Okay. And what is this term? Sum of its previous two terms. And what is this term? Sum of its previous two terms. But you may have got that how the series will start. For every time, first two numbers are 0 and 1. What is third number? Sum of before two terms. Sum of this one and this thing. 0 plus 1, 1, right? So the sum of previous two terms is 1. Now, what is this term? Sum of previous term and previous term. 1 plus 1, 2. And what is this term? Sum of previous two terms. This term and this term. 2 plus 1, 3. And what is the next term? This term is sum of this thing before term, that before term. 2 plus 3, 5. Okay. This is how we will get the next term. How we will get next term? Sum of 5 plus 3. What is 5 plus 3? 8. What is next term? 8 plus 5, 13. Means sum of previous two terms. What are the previous two terms? 8 and 5. For 13, what is the next term? Sum of 13 plus previous term. 13 plus 8, 21. This is known as Fibonacci series. Okay. Fibonacci series means what? The next term is based on previous and before its previous. Okay. Sum of two terms is the next term. Okay. This is known as Fibonacci series. Now let's discuss the program. Or first I will explain you the program, how to write the program. Based on that, I will teach you the algorithm followed by program. Okay. See the Fibonacci series. I will, for those people who haven't got up to now, see this picture is clear, I think so. 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2 and 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 is formed by 5 plus 8. 8 is formed by 3 plus 5. Okay. But every time the series should start with 0 and 1. Keep in mind, every time the series starts with 0 and 1. Okay. I hoping you people know already what is meant by while loop, because I will use the term while loop or for loop. Your wish. If you know any one thing, it will be more easier. Now let's discuss this question very detailed. Now let's listen carefully. Now name three characters. One is previous term, next term, and current term. Okay. First of all, while starting the question, what is previous? 0. Oh, sorry, I need to place current before, right? Previous, current value, and next term. Okay. For first, while starting the question, what is previous? 0. Now what is current? 1. Now what is next? Once I will write the series 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. I will rub this. It will be more easier. 2, 3, 5, 8. Think I am remembering this previous means P, current means C, next means N. First of all, What is previous? 0. What is next? Sorry, what is current? 1. What is next? Next is equals to sum of previous two terms. This term is sum of current plus previous. So what is current? 1, previous 0. Now what is next value? 1, right? So I got 1. Okay, this is next. Be very careful now. Listen, this step is very important. Now from this picture I will write the code. Hope that you need to people also learn that from picture we need to write the code. Okay, see now 2. For calculating the 2, what is previous term? 1 and 1, right? What is this one? Next, right? But when I am calculating 0, 1 and 1, what is this? Current. What is this? Previous. For upcoming value, next value, before one is current, for that before one is previous. Now I need to change, right? Here the previous, but in case of next time, where should be the previous? The previous should be this thing. This thing is previous. And what is this thing? Current. Now this will be next value, right? But now what is this current value? Next. What is this previous value? Current. I need to change, right? What I need to write? I need to make this current as previous. So P, previous is equals to current, and I need to change this next value to current. So current is equals to next value. Okay, once I will explain. 1 minute, because it is very important. So that, see, first of all, this 0 at present, what is this? Previous. This is next. What is this? This is previous. Previous means back value. Current. At present it is the value. This is next, future value. What is future value? The value of current value plus previous value. So this line, I hope you people are clear with this line. Next value is current value plus previous value. Okay, now I want to, for me, I got up to series 1. I got up to 1. Now I need to generate value 2. How I will generate? 2 is equals to 1 plus 1. But my formula is next is equals to current plus previous. So I need to bring those values into the formula. Okay, I am using another color to be more clear. For 2, what is the current value? 1. For 2, what is the previous value? This one, right? For 2, what is 2? This is next value. I need to arrange like this. But how it is? Like this, right? PCN. Previous, current, next. But I want to update like this way. How to do this update? See, watch carefully. I am coming from back. P is here. Where I need to make P? Here, right? Next value. How I will get? P is equals to C. Because C is holding the value 1. So I wrote P equal to C. Now next, what is that? I need to create C. See, I write C here. What is the C? Value of N. What is N? 1. So the C value is 1. Now how I will get the value to C plus P? So that loop going back again. What is N? N is equals to C plus P. That's it. See once more, not I am telling next value. Once more means I am not repeating. For 3, what I need to do? See, watch carefully. This is, I am changing the color. The blue is mixing, so that this is previous value. This is current value. This is next value for 2. Now I am coming to 3. What is this? P equal to C. P equal to C means the P will be erased here. I will get P here. Now C is equals to N means I will erase C. The C will get here. Now what is N? C plus P. What is in C? Sorry, what is in next is equals to current plus P. What is in current? Current is 3, right? 3. What is in previous? 2. 2 plus 3, I got 5. For similarly, again I will get 8. This is the thing. I will explain. See, What is the formula? Next is equals to current plus previous. And what is the thing? Previous is equals to current and current is equals to next. Once watch, it is very important so that hope, for example, here is the present and here is the current and here is the next. Now I need to calculate value 3. How I need to calculate? It is the sum of 2 plus 1, right? The line is here, it is executing here. N is equals to C plus P. N is 2 is equals to 1 plus 1. I got this. Now next. P is equals to C means P will be erased and it will be pinging C. Okay. Now next. C is equals to N means I need to erase C. I need to keep as C equal to N means C holding the value of N. Now what is the next line? See, like this loop. N next is equals to current plus previous. What is current? 2. 2 plus previous 1. 2 plus 1 3. So I got next is equals to 3. Now how I need to get 5? I need to do same procedure again. Previous is equals to current. I need to erase previous. Previous is equals to current. See, current. Next, current is equals to next. So I need to erase current and I need to place with next. Now what is next? Next is equals to C plus P. What is C? 3. P is 2. 3 plus 2, 5. I got next value. This is the thing. While loop, instead of writing the code once again, simply we are using loop. Now let's move on to algorithm. This is the program. It's very simple. But for better understanding, I had repeated more than once. No issues. See, for every program, start and end are same. See, second step, I need to ask the user n value means how many Fibonacci numbers you want. For example, user enters 5, then I need to print 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. If user enters 3, then I need to print 0, 1, 1 because he want 3 values. So I need to print 3 values. If you want 5, I need to print 5. So n value is number of times. Now as you know, first what is the previous? 0. What is the current? 1. Just for simplicity, I am telling next equal to 0. These two things are very important. 0 and 1. Now print previous. For every time, for every case, previous is 0. It will not change. So I need to print previous directly and current as the first two numbers of Fibonacci series means previous and current are always same. For this program also 0, 1. For this program also 0, 1 starting. It is the theme of Fibonacci, right? So it will always print 0, 1. Now I need to run a loop. Why? See, these three statements are running again. What to do? Again and again means we need to use loops. I am using while loop. You can use for loop, your wish. See, what is the thing I need to doing? First, how many time? Until n time I need to do the program. First, next value. Next is equals to previous plus current. Print next. I need to print the next number. Previous is equal to current and current equal to next. Why we need to write these lines? I have explained in the program. Now let's move to the program. See, hash include stdio.h int main. These both lines are same for every program and ending of the program. First I am telling n value to read from user previous equal to 0 as I told, current equal to 1. This is the program and I am asking the user enter the number to generate the Fibonacci series. If the user enters 5, I need to print all the Fibonacci numbers up to 5. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. In case of 8, I need to enter 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. In case of 3, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, I am telling the user that Fibonacci series up to the given n value is, first what we need to do, we need to print blindly previous value. So the outcome will print 0 and while current less than n means up to the given value, right? So loop will run up to given value, current less than or equal to n. What it will print? First of all, current value 1. Next, I need to run the loop, right? Next is equals to previous plus current, previous equal to current, current equal to next. These three lines are same for every program. These 3 lines will be run, and again it will go to here. It will check whether the current value is next or not, and it will run the loop again and again, where the given value reaches up to the given number. Okay, now I will run this program. By running this program, all the doubts will be cleared. Okay, I hope you will see this online GDB browser. I copy pasted the same program. See, I am entering the value 5. See, it printed all the Fibonacci numbers 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. If in case I will enter 13, it will print all the Fibonacci numbers up to 13. Okay, this is the program. I hope you all people got this program. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts and if you felt very happy or sad, you can share in comments, so that I will change my approach, or I will give the changes. If you want the program in detail, I will explain in the program in detail, or if you want anything like more test cases, I will include those. So don't forget to comment. Okay, thank you for watching.